Produce the maximum number of officers for the army that you can ever think of. 500 officers belonging to one village, including 28 brigadiers, 5 major generals, and 7 lieutenant generals. The name of that village is Mathur. The legacy of that village continued from its progeny to the present day British Pakistanis settled in the Midlands. One such phenomenon who fought 40 bouts in a scintillating way, known for his precision, accuracy, and speed. There was a time when he fought 5 bouts in 7 days as a junior. He has represented the featherweight, middleweight, and lightweight categories. The youngest British boxer to have won a silver medal in the Olympics. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce the one and only Amir Khan.
Hi guys, so I've just been honoured by the Pakistan Army. I'm in right there as captain. So Captain Amir Khan. Yeah. Guys. Big thank you to the Pakistan Army.
Ladies and gentlemen, Amir Khan has the privilege of introducing philanthropy for the cause of climate change way beyond your expectation. About 20 years back, he initiated work for the disaster relief operations in Pakistan in Balakot earthquake. He also helped the cyclone and climatic affected area of Indian Ocean, the tsunami affectees. He's running an orphanage in Africa as well. With 40 bouts at the international level, I present to you the former world champion, Amir Khan.